Did you hear they released Brittany Griner? Another reason not to watch the WNBA.
With MJD Transport in Harlington here with Ricardo with JunkGuysdfw. JunkGuys, yeah. Hey. We're here in Arlington with a hot tub removal. The customer wants us to remove this big
portable hot tub.
It's portable, so we're gonna roll it out of here and install the new one.
This will be the first time I've ever done this. I think if you've seen my channel, I've done about 885
yes.
or 885, 886, which is actually the same price that Happy Meal will cost. I mean, a Big Mac meal will cost. If you've ever tried one. 885.
885 for nastiness.
No, that's not nasty, man. They're so delicious, dude. They're so delicious.
What? I mean,
I don't know why you've never tried one out. It's just ridiculous. Everybody's tried one, dude. Everybody in their life has tried. You haven't done it since, what, 10 years, 12 years, something like that, almost 20-something years? So one thing about when you put it on the side, that they tend to throw out a lot of water. You think it threw a gallon out of? Man, maybe more than a gallon.
Uncut version.
Yeah, the
late night version.
You know, late night, speaking of late night, you know some McDonald's are open 24 hours. Bet you didn't know that. Yeah.
Which is ridiculous.
Why is that?
Because they go from sundown selling garbage.
Okay. I'll get you. Yeah, apparently so. All right. How do we get way over here? Way too much leverage on that. The other way is way easier. Like it is right now. I don't know. I gotta tell you, I do some crazy shit sometimes, but this is some ridiculous ass shit. So earlier when I said I've done some crazy stuff or different stuff, that this is going to be different. This is your first.
Yeah.
But this is the first time that we'll actually remove one and put one back. I still think this one is going to weigh more than that one. And I'm going to tell you why. This one has water still. Oh, hey, what are you doing, man? You going all out?
Explode into it with my non-McDonald's diet.
Jesus, not even McDonald's. How y'all doing? So I think we give it an effort. A little E for effort. You know, I just want to say that I managed to do it all by myself. I really didn't need his help. I could have done it, and actually I felt sorry for him. That's why I allowed him to help me out.
No.
Yeah, definitely.
That's incorrect.
No, I did it. I'm gonna tell you why I did it. I had a Big Mac today, and Big Mac gives you energy throughout the day. Sponsored by LTD McDonald's. I had a milkshake,
Oh my God.
Coke Zero.
You in trouble?
What?
Milkshake?
Whoa. You wanted Brittany Gunner to stay longer? No, that's all fucked up, bro. Hi, tell them what we did, man.
We managed to get the new hot tub up on our dolly.
Mm-hmm.
We rigged it up and strapped it down to the dolly to where we don't have to really do any.
We sure did. If you think about it, I did it.
My back and groin says otherwise. Again, I held it up
That's some
as
bullshit.
we are leaning downhill.
Oh, and it was gonna roll.
Exactly.
Yeah, we never talked about that. I don't really care. Anyway, I did most of the work again.
America, you see, he does not care.
I did most of the work. I completed the job,
America.
and I am very nifty and shifty. I am nifty and shifty, and I did it all. So, not a big deal. This is the new one. This is the first time. And you know, and honestly, I mean, this isn't for the show. I have never, ever. Alright guys, this has taken us longer than it took us to remove it. Why are we breathing so hard?
Huh?
We're both breathing hard. It was hard. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was hard. We did it. You know, no, not a big thing, chicken wing. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, hey, he's gonna want it to slide over some. So, all right, this ain't gonna lie. It was hard. It was hard. When you're working by yourself and you're doing jobs like this, it's hard. Listen, guys, this video's about to end right here, and I'm done for the day. So we removed the hot tub. Then this is the first time I've ever brought a hot tub. So what do you think we should charge? He said $400, $300 for the hot tub, another $100 for that. And I think he's wrong. I think we get this guy and we get him for 3 on this, $250. Mm-hmm. That sounds fair. Yeah. All right, that's what we're gonna do. You're not gonna try McDonald's.
No. Look, America. Stop eating McDonald's. I'll stop eating McDonald's.
You gotta try it one time.
No.
You're saying you'll never try it.
No, I would never try McDonald's. Ever.
You really kill yourself and try it. jump off a building.
Yeah, I'll do that before I eat McDonald's.
I believe that you just wouldn't eat McDonald's, dude. It's crazy.
The last thing I'll do, ever on this earth, is eat McDonald's.
All right, junkguysdfw.net, home of the hot tub removal finale. Hot tub extraordinaires, hot tub magicians.
So this Big Mac you're talking about earlier,
Let me
secret sauce.
Let me do the review. Let me finish up the review. What's wrong?
All day long you talking about Big Macs. All day long.
I know, but let me finish the review if you don't mind. I mean, what's going on? Why do you have to interrupt me right now? The customer wants to go inside.
Is it $1,000 dressing?
I said it tastes like Thousand Island. I didn't say it was Thousand Island. Can we do the review now? I mean, okay.
Go ahead, man.
So anyway, we come out. We're here in the great city of Arlington, Texas, home of the Arlington Dallas Cowboys. Cowboys, doesn't matter. And what we're gonna do right now, the customer wants to give me a review because he's like begging me to give me another review.
So the chicken nuggets are actually chicken, right? Chicken.
Do you not see the customer's right here? He's about to.
He's okay. This
Okay, it's real chicken, bro. It comes off the conveyor belt. They like strip the chicken. I've seen it on YouTube. It's on YouTube. This video is going to be on YouTube. Now, if you allow me, maybe the owner can be on my YouTube channel and give me a review. But this chicken, this Thousand Island dressing, I'm getting tired, bro.
So all day long you've been gassing me up about McDonald's. A few questions about McDonald's and you have an issue about it.
Well, I'm here with the customer. That's why. You know what? Forget it. Thanks, bud. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. But never mind.